Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to share with you one of the most popular and delicious dining spots in Da Nang, Vietnam, Mad Platter Bar and Restaurant. Located in the heart of the city near Mai Khe Beach, Mad Platter offers a unique blend of flavors, drinks and ambience that's sure to satisfy your cravings. As we arrive at Mad Platter, you will notice the modern and trendy exterior that sets a tone for a great dining experience. The restaurant's interior is just as impressive with a chic and cozy atmosphere that's perfect for a day out with friends or a romantic dinner. But it's not just about the food. Mad Platter also has a great selection of drinks and cocktails to complement your meal. From craft beers to creative cocktails, there's something for every taste and preference. They are open all day from 10 am to 11 pm, making it a great spot to grab breakfast, lunch or dinner. Mad Platter has a two-floor ambience with the ground floor offering a more casual and lively vibe, while the second floor provides a more intimate and relaxed atmosphere perfect for special occasions. As you come inside, you will notice the stunning seaside view that sets the tone for a serene dining experience. The beach view from the Mad Platter is truly spectacular. You can watch the surfers riding the waves, see the beach umbrellas and sun loungers and enjoy the sound of the waves crashing against the shore. The beautiful beach views from the back of the restaurant are simply breathtaking. It's the perfect spot to relax and unwind while enjoying a delicious meal. And at night, the beach is beautifully lit up, making it a romantic spot for a dinner date. Now let's talk about the food. Mad Platter's menu is a fusion of international flavors with a focus on fresh, locally sourced ingredients. From juicy burgers to flavorful seafood, there's something for everyone on the menu. I'm excited to try some of their signature dishes, including the perfectly cooked fried seafood, ribs and spaghetti carbonara. After trying some of the dishes, I have to say that I am impressed with the flavors and presentation. The fried seafood is crispy and delicious, the ribs are tender and fall off the bone, and the spaghetti is rich and creamy. One thing that really stood out to me during my visit to Mad Platter was the excellent service. The staff were friendly, attentive and knowledgeable about the menu and the drinks. The calming environment and the stunning seaside views made my meal truly enjoyable. It's a perfect spot for those seeking both delicious cuisine and a breathtaking beach setting. Mad Platter Bar and Restaurant has an impressive 4.6 star rating on Google, and it's easy to see why. In conclusion, Mad Platter Bar and Restaurant is a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to Da Nang, Vietnam. With its stunning seaside views, delicious cuisine and excellent service, Mad Platter offers a dining experience that's not to be missed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more food and travel videos. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.